Hello and welcome to the Trendy Coffee Podcast with me, James Hammond. I'll be bringing you trendy coffees from all around the world in any city, any country, anywhere. Grab yourself a trendy coffee, strap in and join me on my journey as I seek out trendy coffees all around the world. So hello and welcome to the Trendy Coffee Podcast. And this week we have started our journey in North Vancouver. And we're going to head to the Kitsilano area of Vancouver, which is a very trendy area. So we're going to hop to there, in the car, over the bridge, go for a trendy coffee. So let's go on the journey. Hello and welcome to Kitsilano in Vancouver. We're here at Kit's Beach Coffee for a trendy coffee, so let's go in. So hello and welcome to Kit's Beach Coffee here in Kitsilano in Vancouver, and we're just having a trendy little coffee here which I can't wait to taste. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this cafe. It's quite new. I think it's also a part of a chain, so they do Kit's Beach beer, Kit's Beach t-shirts, all the game. Kind of known in the community, but also this is a brand new cafe in a brand new location. The opening hours is 7:30 till 5 every day, and they also do a fantastic array of coffees and food. So originally they were a cart on the beach, which is that way, and they sold coffee, I think they sold beer as well, sort of soft drinks, and that was kind of based in the summer, or sort of like maybe from April, May to September, October. Basically it follows the weather. But now they've opened this cafe here. I'm not sure if they're still doing the cart on the beach, but here is now permanent because they've got a cafe and it's now fully built in and it's relatively new. So the vibe here is yet to be sort of distinguished really, but my impression is it's very trendy. It's a very picturesque, very Instagrammable place, and also you're going to get a lot of people who probably remote work there all day with a coffee, but also because of the area you're going to get a lot of maybe some students and also some families to come and check out the cafe, but also some young professionals too. Very dog friendly. They've got seating outside so you can park your dogs out there, and also the seating inside you probably fit maybe around 15 people. We couldn't go in there today, it was full, so we're outside now and it's got a row of chairs, maybe 10 to 15 people outside, which is pretty cool. So on a nice day like this you can sit outside with a coffee and chill out and have a chat. Of course I've ordered the classic Americano, and this is by Habitat Coffee and it's a single roast Mexican. Can't wait to taste it. But they also sell other local coffees in there, such as House of Funk, Palette Coffee and more. So you can go in there and buy other coffees from the local area. You can also buy some merch. They've got t-shirts, they've got caps, they've got all sorts in there. In terms of what to order, of course I've gone for Americano, which costs $3.75. But they also do a pour over coffee here. Now, a bit of a secret favourite of mine, but not all cafes do it, and sometimes they're quite expensive actually, like a few dollars more, but in here it's $4.25. They also do a very interesting drink that Emma has got here, which is a caramel cold brew with sea salt foam, which is, yeah, blows my mind. Won't be tasting that, don't do cold brews, but that looks pretty sensational. They do flat whites, lattes, cappuccinos, all the boys, full array of options there as well. In terms of cakes and or pastries, you can get a chocolate croissant, a normal croissant, and I do a selection of cakes. They're hovering around the $4 mark, but plenty of choice, and I had a chocolate croissant today. That was bloody good, just soft enough. Oh, dream. Gonna give this Kit's Beach coffee a taste. Can't wait to try it, so let's give it a go. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, it's absolutely sensational. Big fan of that. Cheers, Kit's Beach. In general, fantastic new cafe in a real trendy area called Kitsilano. Leafy streets, a mix of people, students, families, young professionals. Got the beach down there. It's a super location. It's on Cornwall Avenue, which is just before you go up to 4th, so 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Cornwall Avenue here, and also the beach is 6-7 minutes away. So in the summer, fantastic. In the winter, you can sit inside, but as I said, it might get quite busy. It's quite popular, so get here early. In the summer though, you can sit outside with a coffee or a drink and have a chat with your friend, and I fully recommend you coming here. It's been a great first experience. I will be coming again. And as always, Kitts Beach, whether they do beer, coffee, they seem to do it right. And the interior is fantastic. You'll see it in the video what it's like inside. Fantastic, very chic, very modern, and very trendy. So come here, give it a go, and well done Kitts Beach Coffee. Cheers. And thank you for tuning in to episode 3, Kitts Beach Coffee. Fantastic place, fantastic cafe, brilliant coffee, real chic look inside, quite new. Would highly recommend you to go and check those guys out. I'm going to give a trendiness rating 9.1 out of 10. Tell me your rating in the comments below. I'd love to see and hear them. And thanks for tuning in. Get to Kitts Beach, get a coffee on the go, and go and live up some trendiness. I'll catch you soon. So subscribe today on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and you can also rate and review on any of your podcast platforms that you use for your podcasts. Thank you.